What are you gonna do if an animal is sick?
I'll just take it to the vet.
What is a vet?
Like that bird.
What is a vet?
A vet is a kind of animal.
It's a kind of what?
An animal doctor.
That's what? Animal doctor that?
That. This is my patient.
Okay, that's your. So are you a vet?
Yes.
Okay, a vet is a kind of animal doctor that treats animals when they are ill or sick, right?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna put this in your Kids TV channel, okay? So the kids can learn that if an animal is sick, where are we gonna take them?
To the vet.
To the vet.